Bring the power with you wherever you go. I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is the Sucrosey Power Bank. This power bank is not only extremely powerful, but a beautiful, sleek design that you can carry anywhere you go. My favorite feature is that you can pop out the plug adapter so that you can plug it directly into the wall. You can also monitor how much power it has. It has a built-in USB-C and an old Apple connection. So if you have different types of devices you're taking care of, it also has ports for USB-C and USB. So the charging capabilities of this is amazing. Honestly, I am blown away how quickly it charges my devices and how efficient its power is, because I still have so much juice left over to charge multiple times or multiple devices. This made a huge deal for us when we went on our backpacking trip to Mount Whitney. I had this in our backpacking backpack. It was perfect to have in the tent with us when we were resting or it was time to sleep, to be able to charge up our devices so that they were ready to be used the next day. I loved it, and that's my point of view.